Hey truckers, welcome to Keep Loading's weekly market update. Let's check which lanes are hot this week and where you can earn the most per mile.
Spot market rates this week are steady for dry vans at around $2 per mile. Reefers are up slightly to $2.45, and flatbeds are averaging $2.60 per mile. The Midwest and South are currently the hottest regions for freight. Here are the top-paying lanes for this week. Dry vans, Chicago to Atlanta, paying $2.45 per mile. Box trucks, Dallas to Houston is strong at $2.20 per mile. Reefers, California to Arizona, averaging $2.55 per mile. Fuel prices are stable this week, but Northeast short hauls remain low paying. If possible, avoid deadheading into New York or New Jersey. Focus on regional southern lanes for better earnings. To maximize profits, combine short regional loads with weekend line hauls. And if you need help staying loaded, that's what Keep Loadings is here for. That's your Keep Loadings market update for this week. If you want to avoid empty miles and keep your truck moving, contact us today. Links are in the description. Stay safe and stay loaded.